Hey guys, Joanna here, one of your Canva verified expert, and we are gonna be diving in the photo editors in Canva. You know what? The more Canva build all of these amazing features, they really make things a little bit much easier without having to spend a lot of money on other photo editors. So let's go ahead and dive right in and see what Canva has in store for you, especially when you would love to edit your photos that you would like to post in your social media or any of your collaterals that you would love to do. And the beauty about this is that it's not just going to be editing like one whole photo, but you can edit certain areas of the photo differently and not affect the rest of the photos. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So when we are here, we are just going, let's go ahead and select a YouTube thumbnail for this tutorial. And I do love that size because we are going to be using this for this video. So we are just gonna upload some things, right? So you can actually upload a certain photo of what you want or whatever it is that you would love to do. But I would love to go ahead and either select a photo of me on a certain here, right? And as you can see, as this is really a rectangular size or a portrait size of photo. So when you click here, you can click on edit. And now you can actually have all of this Magic Studio AI driven type of editings that you have. And then I'm also gonna show you how you can edit the photos on different sections. So first is that I actually want to expand this. So I'm gonna use the Magic Expand. And I would love to have a free form if I want to, or the whole page if I want to expand it. And you can see then what it will generate. So it will give you 4 different options that you can choose from, and then you can then identify whether that is what you would love to use for your photo. Of course, right? You want to make sure that you quality check it, making sure that there's nothing wonky looking as you expand. So as you can see here, it expanded into different scenarios. I got 4. So this is the first one. So as you can see, it gave me a little bit of kitchen and a door there that's kind of like off here. Now this is a kitchen. Okay. This is a little bit just looking off, and also here. Let's see about this one. This is a little bit much better. Maybe this one is just like a little bit off. I'm not so sure. But then as you can see, there are just like ability that you can really do. And then you can also generate new if it's just looking a little bit off, and see what other things the feature can actually do for your photos, right? Because I want to expand it a little bit. Of course, you might want to change a little bit of the dimension of your dock type if it is off. And look at that, it gave me actually shorts, and I kind of like this a little bit better. Like it made, of course, I was wearing a short there, and then a little bit of leggings. I do like that one. This one is a little bit off. This one also here in the background, right? So choose what is the closest thing that you think will be useful. I do like this one. Maybe we can select this. Then I'm just going to click on done. So now you have that, and it has really expanded, right? So now, of course, for example, if I would love to adjust. So before, when you adjust a certain photo, you can just, what will happen is that you can adjust the whole photo that you have, right? So, but what if I actually just want to maintain my whole background, but I just want to adjust me in the photo? So now here in your edit, when you edit the photo, you can see select an area, right? And you can click, you can foreground, background. So if I want to do like a background right now, now, as you can see, it's being highlighted, right? And then I can then adjust how I want it to look like a little bit. Maybe do I like, so it's not affecting me, and I want to brighten that a little bit, maybe a little bit of contrast, highlights, maybe the blacks. I want to emphasize a little bit of the black here, right? Now, what if I'd love to have, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Awesome. Nope. There we go. Now it's adjusting, right? So what if I'd love to emphasize these lights over here into a much more brighter or maybe some? So I can just click on different areas in the whole image. So as you can see here, I can hover into different elements that the feature can actually find. So now, for example, I want this part and I just want to adjust this right now. So, oops, maybe just a little bit there, a little bit brightness. You see how like bright that is? And then I'm gonna go ahead and choose another one here. So that is being saved here, right? I want to do a little bit of contrast there. And then I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna not deselect, but I am just going to accept that one, right? And then now I'm gonna click again on this. I want to adjust it again into its brightness. You see how bright that is happening there? A little bit of contrast, all right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And how about I'd love to have myself as well. I'm gonna click on me and then I'm gonna adjust. And then I'm gonna adjust a little bit of a shadow. I want a little bit more black. Nope, 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 nope. Darker, darker there. A little bit, okay, white maybe. A little bit sharpness. Nope, not too much sharp. A little bit clarity if I want to. And a little bit of a texture there. So now you can really use it in a way that you are making things a little bit much better in your photo, wherein I can select certain points of reference that I want to enhance in the photo. So go ahead and check that one out and let me know what you think about this feature when it comes to expanding and also editing certain elements in the photos, not the whole photo itself. So let me know in the comment. Again, make sure to subscribe in our channel for more Canva updates and tutorials.